What's up, everyone? Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to attempt to make homemade or DIY hair gel for my baby because I don't want to be using any of that fake stuff that is like store-bought. And this is what his hair looks like right now, and I also don't want to cut his hair right now. I want to wait till he's at least a year old. And this is what his hair looks like right now, and as you can see, it is going onto his eyes. I just want to use the hair gel to push his hair back a little bit and just keep it out of his eyes so his eyes won't get irritated by his hair and all that stuff. So this is what I'm doing right now. I saw this recipe on Pinterest, so what you just need is 8 ounces of water, some unflavored gelatin. This is just the one that I bought from my store. I got it at Target, and then I got this sweet orange essential oil. It's 100% pure essential oil. I had taken it out and I put it back in the wrong spot, but there it is. And that's it. Oh yeah, I also forgot to say you need a glass container where you can dump it into, and that you could put into the refrigerator for it to set. So now that my water is about to boil, I'm just gonna add half a teaspoon of the gelatin into the water and just mix it. Make sure there's no clumps in there. Probably gonna turn it off now. So now that the gelatin is well dissolved, I'm just gonna put it into your container, which I am really scared of. I really hope it doesn't pop. I'm just gonna do this in there. So since I was scared about my glass jar popping because of the heat, I put down a paper towel in the sink, and I'm just gonna do it there. So you're just gonna take your water with gelatin in it, unflavored gelatin. I'm just gonna drop it in. And you're just gonna let it cool. Put it in your fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. And I will see you then. I will see you in the morning. And now you're just going to add your essential oil into the set mixture of water and gelatin. It just depends. Just eyeball it, or I think the more you want it to smell, the more you have to add to it. And then you just mix it. Mix it with a spoon. It is a little watery, but it is supposed to be for like a light hold. I'll put the measurements down below, and like if you wanted it to be a strong hold or a light hold. And then you just put it in your bottle or wherever it is you wanted to keep it. But make sure you guys keep it in the fridge, otherwise this will melt. It smells really good, actually. It smells like oranges. Thanks everyone. Please subscribe and like this video.